How to send pictures on character.ai app. So watch the video till the end so that you will get the easy way to send pictures on character.ai app. First thing first, open character.ai application on your device. Make sure to sign in or sign up on your character.ai application. Once you reach on the chat section, select the explore icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once this page appears, exploring different characters on character.ai app will help you find popular characters without wasting any time. And from this recommended, you can search or select any characters that you want to send the pictures on. With the help of the search bar also you can search for the characters. Just open it, and once you open it, it will take few time to load. Until that, if you don't find here the plus button next to the message, then you can also open character.ai application on the web browser. For that, let's exit the character.ai app and open the Chrome browser. You can open any browser of your choice. On the web address bar, type in character.ai and the web version of character AI will open. Now let's search for the character with the help of the search bar at the top. So as you can see on this web browser that there is the plus button which is next to type a message box. So when you tap on that plus button at the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see upload image option. By tapping on upload image, you can select any picture that you want to send and easily send pictures on character AI. I hope this video worked out for you. If this worked, then make sure to hit the like button, share and comment below. If you have any queries, then feel free to comment. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe, press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.